Hi Glam Beauties, how are you? It's me Cece with Intellectual Glam, and I'm back with another video. I know I have been missing in action. You guys, oh my gosh, the last 2 weeks have been crazy. My son had the flu, then I had the flu, my fiance had the flu. So I have been completely sick, and when I tried to film, I kept coughing everywhere. And I'm like, you know what? I want to give you guys the best quality that I can, that I feel comfortable with. So I decided to take a week off, but I am back. In today's video, I will be reviewing the Infallible up to 24-hour Fresh Wear Foundation by L'Oreal. I have 2 shades. I have 525 Deep Golden and 530 Deep Amber. So we're going to test these 2 out to see how they wear. Do I like them? Is it going to be my favorite drugstore? So if you want to see that video, please stay tuned. Okay guys, we are back and we are going to be testing these foundations. Like I said, I have 525 Deep Golden and 530 Deep Amber. If you look at the 2, it is a huge difference in color. I definitely felt like they could have had some shades in between, but that's okay. We're going to give it a test anyway. So I am just going to put my hair back, and we're just gonna dive right in. We're not gonna waste any time. So the first color on this side, I'm gonna do 525. This side right here, and on the other side, I'll do 530. I have not tried this foundation at all. I do like the fact it has a pump. I think that's awesome from the drugstore. I'm going to be honest right off the bat. And sorry guys, if you see me look down at my viewfinder, I'm just making sure I'm filming, because I have filmed a bunch of times and it wasn't recording. So we don't want that to happen. So I'm just going to pump a little bit of this. So right off the bat, it has a smell. I don't know if it's a fragrance. And I've already primed my Wow guys, this foundation is beautiful. It's so beautiful. I definitely like this foundation. Okay. Wow. And I'm looking in the mirror just to see. I actually would wear either side. What do you guys think? Tell me which side that you like. This is 525 and this is 530. Wow, I really like this foundation. It's very lightweight. The scent actually goes, it smells like soap. That's what it smells like, some type of flowery floral type soap. This does have SPF in it of 25, so I definitely wouldn't take pictures with this, like flash pictures, or wear this at night. But during the day, oh my gosh, wow. So yeah, I definitely like 525 a lot better. I think it matches my neck better, and once I contour and stuff, this side's a little bit dark. I am going to finish the rest of my face, and I'm going to come back with my final review. Hi guys, so I'm back, and I have threw on a little makeup, a little lip. So overall guys, I absolutely love this foundation. Like, no, seriously, this is my favorite drugstore foundation. It blended effortlessly with all of my makeup. It looks so natural, so fresh. Like, seriously, I don't know what L'Oreal did with this or what formula they used, but wow, this is really good. I definitely recommend this, you guys. The only thing I don't like, and I guess a con would be, is the smell. I do not like the smell. I still can smell it. It's very faint now, but when you first put it on, it's very perfumey, and so if you're sensitive to smells, I definitely would be aware of that. But other than that, it is beautiful. I hope that they expand their shades in between 525 and 530. But guys, I definitely would recommend this. So that is all. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for being patient with me. I'm definitely putting out more great content that I'm excited about. So if you don't want to miss an upload, please like and subscribe. Thank you so much, Glam Beauty, and I'll see you next time. Bye.